Okay, go on.
Hi friends, welcome to Star Kids. I am Sanjeev and today we are going to Black Thunder, Ooty Main Road, Metropolitan. So we are on the way to Coimbatore and on the way we are going to Black Thunder. So let's meet my family members and it's a family trip. This is Tata. He's very good. Hi, Mama. We are traveling, and you can see the super view on the way to Kodaikanal. Sorry, we are going to Black Thunder. So this is the way. Because last time we went to Kodaikanal. So sorry.
On the way, we also ate snacks.
Oh, we ate Milky Bar?
And Toblerone. And if you don't know what Toblerone is, it's an Indian chocolate that we can get in India.
Oh. So now there's a party going on in our temple. So there are a lot of windmills on the way. So you have a great view. Now we are seeing movies. And this is Vadivel comedy. You can hear it. It is the most funny comedy. You can watch it sometime. We are at Black Thunder.
இறங்கி காட்டுறேன்
அல்ல இடிச்சிராத
There are a lot of cars.
But why are the buses' fronts open?
So now we are going to park our temple. So now we are at Black Thunder.
Wow, it's so happy. We're so happy today.
Now we are taking the ticket. So we are taking tickets. Hi, Papa.
சின்ன டிக்கெட் ஒன்று எக்ஸ்ட்ரா போட்டாச்சு அதை மாற்றிட்டு அப்படியே
We are taking tickets.
ரெண்டு சீனியர் சிட்டிசன் பெரிய டிக்கெட் நீங்க எடுத்துட்டு பெரிய டிக்கெட் தனியா
Guys, we reached our house and this is Bayu Malai and he was so happy. And did you enjoy the trip? Sorry guys, we have to keep the phone in the locker so we can meet you guys. So bye guys and like